You got offended?
Mike's offending people.
You're a bully.
Live to offend.
You're a bully.
Whose gang is that? Live to offend?
That's your gang.
Oh, that's my gang.
That's you.
Baba. Alright, Baba here is gonna take the compressor out.
Alright, Mike slipped the alternator off.
And now I can't slip it back in.
Can't slip it back in. We probably could, but we don't want to scratch up his nicely powder-coated oil filter housing, so
One off paint job.
I think we're just gonna go ahead. There's no Freon in there, so who cares? We're just gonna move her out the way.
Yeah.
Get this alternator on. Mike's not happy about it, but
I'm not upset.
he's upset. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, we're putting the alternator in. Mike.
How's my hair look?
Terrible.
Alright, good. Alright, well, we finally
Mike
got
got
a little,
this loose.
little wiggle room.
Little wiggle.
We just had to finagle the fucking compressor out.
Yeah, it's really tough with this charge pipe.
Yeah.
I remember doing one on a stock one, and it was a lot easier.
Otherwise, yeah, it is pretty easy. Should just smack right on.
All right, we'll see.
You hope. Yeah.
Looks pretty good.
Yeah.
All right.
Just slides right in.
Yeah, just take the compressor off, boys.
Yeah.
I mean, maybe you can pry it off and stuff, but
You
not
can
the right
loosen
way to do it.
compressor and maybe get to that bolt with a wrench.
Yeah.
If you don't have this.
All right.
And the power steering hoses.
Yeah.
Those are relocated.
Yeah, the power steering hoses are in the way. It's just a mess in there, so.
Maybe I sneak it out.
The back. I don't know how we got this on. Oh, yeah.
Lord.
All right, Mike.
We're
What happened, Mike?
just another. I don't even know, man.
Don't even know.
Well, I do know.
These manifolds don't hold these in very well. All right, ready to try her again? Mike, you ready? Yeah. All right. Yeah, she's still pegged, the rail pressure.
Huh?
The rail pressure's still pegged. Alright, we're swapping this alternator in here. How do you feel about that, Mike? How long is it gonna take you?
About what? This? Couple days.
Couple days?
Yeah.
Alright.
If everything goes right.
Oh yeah. So it should be done next Tuesday.
Maybe an hour.
2 business days.
Yeah, 2 business.
How long do you think it should take?
To fix this?
Yeah.
1 week.
1 week. Alright. You heard it from the customer.
Hell yeah.
1 week we got to fix it, so should be plenty of time. Just an alternator.
Quick and easy.
It is water cooled. Look at that.
It's gonna be here for weeks.
Gonna be here for months now.
Dude.
Gotta
We
let all the
should-
snow
dude,
drain off.
We should have done this next year. I want to talk it out there.
No, you got it.
I don't want to break it.
Don't break it.
I'm not trying.
Do you want me to break it?
It's just fucking stuck in there. Oh, it's coming.
Oh! Jeez, okay. And we don't even know. Oh, it's right there.
It just came like very little.
Oh, man. Oh, man. Terrible, terrible, terrible. Just terrible.
It reminds me of old chop.
Yeah, old shop vibes.
Big old chap.
Old shop vibes.
Old chop.
Seems pretty empty.
All right.
Can we fit it out there? Doesn't seem like it.
She's fucking beefy.
Yeah, we
Watch
can.
out,
We
man.
can.
She's
Here,
heavy.
hold this.
Oh.
Yeah.
What's that?
All right. Mike's swapping out the gasket. We told him
It
that he
looks
needed a
fine.
new gasket. He says it looks fine. Mike says it looks flat as a
Pan.
As the earth.
Pan.
flat as a
Flat as the
pancake. All right.
Flat as there.
Flat as the earth. Mike's a big flat earth guy. I didn't know if you guys knew that, but yeah.
Yeah.
I
Convert
got a
now.
handkerchief.
Is this the right position, guy? Yeah.
No.
Nope.
No. One more turn.
One more turn? Yeah.
One more turn for goodness.
Okay. Plug up top.
All right, always remember to clock your alternator. Very important, very important. Now we're not trying to tighten these down with the impact. I've seen some comments not starting the bolts
This is a ratchet.
by hand. I started them by hand here.
It's like a Milwaukee glove.
Yes, sir.
Milwaukee ratchet.
Anybody know the torque spec on this? Is that 10 Newton meters? 10 Newton meters? Yeah. All right, as always.
10 Newton scooters.
Yes, sir. M6 bolt. 10 Newton scooters. Is it already set for us?
You're a mechanic, you don't need that one. You have to feel with the hand.
Bro,
I'm gonna torque her down, pal.
is that what you believe by when you put that motor back apart?
Yeah. Disable the voltage regulator.
Voltage regulator?
Yeah.
Tony, do you think you can replace this voltage regulator? Why not?
I found the part.
You found the part?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
How do you take it apart?
So
Bust it open.
it means it looks like you can replace it.
Alright. Big rod knock. She's coming up, she's coming up. 13. We're already looking at her, pal. He's going to the cheat mode on the dash.
13.4.
13.
There you go. Yeah, it was 11.
Hell yeah.
10.9.
That's
Sweet.
good. She's mint, buddy.
She's meant. Let's go do some donuts.
Oh.
Whoa, hey, we were warming up the coolant. We were warming up the coolant.
Hey, man.
We were warming up the coolant. We forgot it was a coolant filled alternator, because who the hell makes a coolant filled alternator, man?
Coolant fed alternator. Oh, he's spinning it. Oh, just spinning it. Oh, he's eater.
It's a bit too slick for these tires. To like drift, yeah. But out in the streets it's probably nice right now.
What's the spin here?
Spin? My boy going crazy. My boy going crazy. Oh no, he is second. Oh hell no. Oh yeah. Did you miss him? No, he's going wild. He's going crazy out here. Oh God. Ski, yeah. He's like, let me slide the boat. He's like, let me slide the boat. Let me slide the boat. Let me slide the boat.
Oh, no.
Slide it, you don't know. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Hell yeah. That works?
Yeah, it works.
Hell yeah.
Ski, yeah.
Sick. So are we good, do you think? Is the fan hasn't turned on? Has the fan been working?
It was working.
Nice DTM connector, bro. Upgraded connector there, pal.
All right, what's up here? We out?
We're out.
We out. Bye. It's running. Snowing.